it? Yeah. Blowout.
Yeah.
64.
Yeah.
This
That
is
broke
gonna
my
be good.
recording for a second. It's fine now. Press enter.
Okay.
Come on. Oh, there's unlockables.
Oh
Exciting.
my gosh, this game might be further than we thought.
Don't know what controls are. It's not that. Okay, it's this. Okay. We're going full speed. Clear.
Clear. Oh my gosh, it's proper like Super Monkey Ball.
Have I got jumping?
Maybe.
No, is this a
You
ramp?
you got a ramp.
It's a ramp. Okay. That's kind of cool. Clear.
It is proper old school. I love this.
Oh god, why is the angle so off? Oh, I don't like this. Oh no. Oh dear. Oh no.
This is the game that will trigger JC. Clear.
Oh, I'm going down the hill already. I can't actually see. Oh, that's a tree. Blowout.
Blowout. Can you not change your mouse like up and down? Oh,
No.
Okay. Yeah,
Oh, I forgot about the tree already.
Blowout.
Blowout.
How are you even gonna know what's in front of you?
No idea. To succeed, you must first fail.
Blowout.
Oh, I think I know what I need to do. I need to also push forward.
Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
Such speed! Oh, there was too much speed! No! I was too quick!
Let go.
Is that enough? Oh, it's too not enough! What? This is what, the 4th mission and we're already stuck?
Blowout.
Speed! Keep going, keep going, keep going! Right, we're just gonna go right from the start. I'm gonna see if we can pull back in midair.
Okay.
I pull back too much. Instantly too much. Instant stop. Alright, let's try this again.
The full throttle.
Pull back, pull back!
Clear.
Yes!
The nervousness of that.
What's going on?
God. You're on a
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Clear.
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 If they make me do that at an angle. No! No!
Blowout. I love it. This is why I wanted you to play this game.
It's fine. This hat is really itchy, which is just adding to the frustration. But it's fine. Whoa. Now, nice and steady, 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 steady. Yeah, David Bowie.
Clear.
Oh god, what is going on? Why am I looking? Oh god, I have to land on one of these. Oh, I didn't press forward enough. Oh, this hat is so itchy.
Oh my gosh. No way.
No, this is not going to happen, is it? This really is not going to happen.
Oh my god.
No, I bounced off to the right. No, I would have made it.
That would have made it. I would have.
No! Oh, we're getting closer. We're getting closer.
We are getting closer. I believe.
No, I went too fast!
Blowout.
Woosa!
The pain in the pain.
Woosa!
Oh, here we go. Yes, let's go. Yes. You try.
Let's try that again.
Fools. Blowout. This is great. This is actually.
I didn't mean to keep going. Yeah.
You got to do that on an angle now.
Pretty much, yeah. On a plinth. Nope, just rolling down a hill. And going over a thing. Oh, that's a really long way to go as well. Oh my god.
That is a really long way. You're just going to have to full send.
Full sending!
Oh.
Wait, if I got to bounce off of it?
There's no way.
Oh no, there we go.
Okay,
I just
there we go,
apparently wasn't holding it down.
You bounced over the second
Bounced
round.
over it and then also hit the thing still. I don't think I held that enough. Oh my god. No, wait. Let's talk about this. Let's talk about this. I can't talk about this. I gotta send it.
That's even further away.
Look, I was trying to pull back and it just wouldn't happen. Back.
Blowout.
Oh my gosh.
I can do this one. Do you know what happened there? Is I hit back as soon as I bounced, and so I just stopped. Just stopped. Just like, nope.
Yeah.
Come on. Ooh, yeah, that's nice.
It's a really successful hit for a second. The sad time. No. Okay.
We'll go until we do this one.
This one is the challenge one.
Blowout.
Okay.
No, this is too much fun for me.
Let's go into that. Ooh. Yes!
Let's go! Let's go!
You know, so that was Blizzard Blowout. Yeah, we're just gonna. No, that was Blizzard Blowout 64. We got enjoy, please.